Hello, I'm Dr. Arthur D. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, and I want to share with you my latest project completion. This is a beautiful Leslie 122 amplifier that I rebuilt. As you can see, I replaced the power transformer. Of course, installed a new filter can capacitor. Of course, these are vintage tongue sole 6550 tubes, and I like the Telfunken tubes here. This is a RCA OC3. I like those in my amplifiers. Let's turn this over. See what we have underneath. A new solid state relay, all new capacitors there, new volume potentiometer, that's alpha potentiometer, 1,000 microfarad cathode bypass capacitor. Some people believe that a larger microfarad bypass capacitor produces greater bass response. I don't know if that's true or not, but I had a tech friend tell me that, and some disagree with that, of course. But so I do the 200 microfarad, 220 microfarads, as well as the 1,000 microfarads. So if a customer wants the 1,000 microfarad, it doesn't hurt anything, and so I'll put that in there. And if it boosts good, man, I like a good sounding amp. So I didn't have to do too much in terms of resistors. Replace this one, and there's one resistor here, 56K resistor that I replaced there. But other than that, of course, there's a new fuse in there. This was a fun project, and but I'm glad this one is completed now. I can install it in my test cabinet here and try it out on my Cherry B3 organ and see how it sounds. All right, so we'll come back a little bit later and give you a sound check video so you can see how it sounds along with me. But until then, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, here in the shop at Vintage B3 Organ Incorporated in Warrensburg, Missouri, getting it done, taking care of business. Man, I'm telling you, listen, if you're interested in a Leslie amplifier, you need to get in touch with me. You need to let me know. Look over here. Here's another. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? These are some recent projects that I completed. Some refurbished amplifiers or partial rebuilds. So if you're interested in a 147, these are all beautiful 147s, of course. This is a 122. Get in touch with me and let me know, and we'll work with you. All right, so until then, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, saying to you, peace out.